Let's discuss this question next. What does the question say? Evaluate root 3 plus root 2 whole power 6 minus root 3 minus root 2 whole power 6. What are we supposed to do in this one? We'll expand this and we'll expand this, then we'll subtract these two terms and see where does that take us. We have to find the value of this. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so let me write the expansion of root 3 plus root 2 whole power 6 first. This is equal to what? So there will be 7 terms in all. What are the terms? This will be 6c0 root 3 power 6, root 2 power 0, which is 1, that's not required, plus 6c1 root 3 power 5 square root of 2, plus 6c2 root 3 power 4 root 2 square, plus, let me write another term, 63 root 3 power 3 root 2 power 3 plus dot dot dot. And the last term, let's write the last term after this. What is that? This is 6c6 root 2 power 6. This is what you will get. Similarly, let me write the second expansion. What you'll have is root 3 minus root 2 power 6 is what you'll have. And if you observe, there is a minus over here. That's the only difference. So alternate terms will be plus or minus. This will be plus, this will be minus, this will be plus, this will be minus. And that's the only difference that will be there. Since square root of 2, instead of square root of 2, we have minus square root of 2. So 6c1 will be negative, 6c3 will be negative, 6c5 will be negative, right? So this is 6c0 root 3 power 6 minus 6c1 root 3 power 5 square root of 2 plus 6c2 root 3 power 4 square root of 2 whole square minus 6c3 square root of 3 power 3 square root of 2 power 3 plus dot dot dot. What will be last term is actually 6c6, so this will be a plus sign. The term before this will be a minus sign. Right? This is what you have. What next? We want to take the difference of these. Let's take the difference of these. Let us take the difference. And how do we do that? Let's see. Subtracting them, root 3 plus root 2 power 6 minus root 3 minus root 2 power 6 will be equal to what? Observe the subtraction very carefully. So these terms will get cancelled, yes. These terms will get added. This minus or minus this will become twice 6c1 square root of 3 power 5 square root of 2. Okay, let's take this in a bracket. Next term, this will get cancelled, whereas these will get added. There will be 6c3 root 3 power 3 square root of 2 power 3. Then you'll have another term. If you observe 6c1, 6c3 and the next term will be 6c5, yeah. So you observe this series, this is 6c5 root 3 power 1 root 2 power 5. Then 6c7, no, there is no 6c7, there is only term up till 6c6. So this is what you have. And now we are only supposed to simplify this expression. Let's do that. These are odd powers. These are all odd powers, you may observe, right? So let's take out a root 3 common and let's take out a root 2 common. From this, all 3 terms. Okay, so you get a 2 times root 3 times root 2, and in the bracket what do I get? Let's observe 6c1. 6c1 is simply 6. You'll have root 3 power 4 over here and root 2 power 0, which is 1 only. Next, 6c3. What is 6c3? 6c3 is 6 times 5 times 4 upon 3 times 2 times 1. This will, 1 root 3 has already gone out. This will be root 3 square will remain over here. 1 root 2 has already gone out. This will remain as root 2 square plus 65 is 6. Root 3 has gone out. Root 2 power 1 has gone out. What will remain is root 2 square power 4. This is what will remain, right? What next? This becomes 2 square root of 6. Root 3 times root 2 is square root of 6. In the bracket you have 6 times root 3 power 4, which is 3 power 2, that is 9. Plus, what is this? This is 3 times 2, which is 6 gone. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 times root 3 square is 3 and root 2 square is 2. You observe that. Plus, next term is 6 times root 2 power 4, which is 2 square, that is 4. This is what you have. The final result that you will be getting is this. 9 times 6 is 54 plus 20 times 6 is 120 plus 6 times 4 is 24. This is what I am getting. 120 plus 20 plus 50. What do you get is 198 is what I'm getting. Yes, 198 times 2 is 396. Square root of 6 is also there, and that is the final answer for this question, as you can see behind me. That's the complete solution of this question over here. Is that all? Yes, that's all in this question.